So you shouldn't be burning right now?
I can't hear. You need to leave the property right now.
That's okay, so you're burning. You're not supposed to be burning though. There's village ordinances that prohibit that. So do you have a permit for that?
I understood a word you said. Now leave the property.
207, I'll take a second.
No, there's a probable cause.
We're not going to play around here.
Okay.
It's not playing around. Where are we
Sir,
going?
what's in the bag?
Leave the property.
Oh yeah, that's not how this works.
Now.
Okay, sir.
Now.
You need to relax.
Now.
What's in the bag?
Leave.
What's in the bag?
Have your chief of police give me a call. You know who I am. Get off the property.
No, I don't know who you are.
Call.
Put the bag down.
I'm the owner.
Just
Get
listen
off
to the
207, 209, step it up.
I am the owner.
Put the bag
Get off
down.
my property.
Sir?
Don't you dare. You will die if you...
Oh, that's a mistake.
Stop! Put your hands up! 207, I think he's got a 32. He's showing me a CCW permit. Walk towards me! Walk towards me!
I can't understand you.
Walk towards me!
Look!
Walk towards me!
You're here to die. Look! Behind you.
Yep, I see it. So why are you threatening me? Huh?
Right.
You were trying to murder me.
I'm not trying to do shit.
Trying to murder
No,
me.
you're reaching into a bag. It looks like a pistol bag.
I am exercising my rights. You are violating my rights. I have constitutional rights that you are intentionally
Okay,
violating.
I don't care about that. Walk towards me. We will figure it out.
Violating my constitutional rights. I cannot hear you. Those people see what you're doing.
Walk towards
I
the sound of my
cannot
voice.
understand you. Call anyone who knows me. I'm hard of hearing. You aren't supposed to be on my property. You were told to leave.
Code 4, he's got a bag,
no
looks like a pistol
trespassing
case. He was
sign.
reaching into it. Now he's standing here with his arms up. I got him at gunpoint.
There's a no trespassing sign. You're trespassing. You're trespassing and you're deadly threatening me.
Okay,
Nothing. You have nothing. You have no right to be here.
I do.
That sign means you. You are to leave my property. You are to leave my property now. You are to leave my property now.
No,
You are to leave
we're not.
my
We're past
property
that.
now.
We're past
You
that.
are to leave my property now.
There's a probable cause. They're burning. We don't have the permit. See what happened in California.
You are to leave my property now. You are to leave my property now.
Just stay right there then.
I went in my pocket for my ID. If you want identification, get off my property.
That's not how this works.
No, that's
Oh,
not how it
boy.
works.
You're going to be looking for a new job after this. You're going to be looking for a new job after
You're gonna
this.
be in jail.
definitely
You're gonna be
gonna
in
looking
jail.
For a new job after this.
Do you understand why I'm
Get
here?
off my property.
No.
Right now.
Do you understand why I'm here?
Now. Right now. Right now. I have a right to remain silent.
Okay.
And I have a right to.
You're so
I have a right
noisy.
to exercise my rights, and you do not have a right to take my rights from me. You've got all the.
Dude, you are the one who's noisy.
Take a step.
Put that handgun down.
Take a step to your left.
I can't understand what you're saying. You're putting a laser in my eye.
I don't have a laser on this gun.
I can't hear what you're saying. Get away from me. Get away from me. Ask anyone. I'm hard of hearing. Get away from me. Get away. You're on my property. You're trespassing. Call the police. This man is trespassing on
The
my
police are
property.
already here.
See the sign. Call the police. Call 911 and get this man off my property. He's probably not even a real policeman.
I promise you I am.
My property right now. I am the owner. Get off my property. I have no idea anything you've said. I'm hard of hearing.
Okay.
Virtually deaf. Get off my property.
Then walk towards
Get
me.
off my property.
Walk towards
Get
me.
off my property. Get off my property now. You're probably overheated from the fire. Step away from the fire. Don't be a moron.
207, just for 43. I'm code 4 at the moment. Still holding him at
If you
gunpoint.
don't know who I
He's
am,
refusing
you're
to
brand new
obey
on the force.
orders. Sir,
Turn that laser off.
there is no laser.
Turn that laser off.
I don't know why you think there's a laser.
I've already got enough lawsuits against Pleasant Prairie You're going to be the next one. You aren't going to have a
No,
job.
you're gonna
Sir,
be in jail.
walk
Don't get
towards
off my
me.
property. Get off my 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 property.
This one
Get
is
off
so
my property.
stubborn.
Get off my property. Get off my property.
That's not how this works.
Go call my. There's a phone number there on the sign. You have no right.
207, he's saying he's hard of hearing, but he's
Don't
distanced
you
himself
come
at least
near
6
me.
feet from the
Don't
bag.
you dare come near me.
Get down on the ground.
Could have been
Get on the
avoided.
ground.
Why?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do not move.
I don't know what you're saying.
Obviously, you can hear me.
I don't know.
Do not move.
I have identification in my pocket. This
About 70 feet west of Lakeshore, south of my squad.
I think
207,
he's
I've got him
lying.
proned out on the ground.
He's not, he can't hear.
207, I've got him
He's lying,
proned
he's
out on the
lying.
ground. Do not move! Do you understand?
I have no idea.
Do not move! Pistol bag is just ahead of him to the right. Do not move! Do not move!
What do you mean?
Do not move!
What do you mean? You have no right to be on my property.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
have no right to be on my property.
Put your hands behind your back.
What? I don't know what you're saying.
Bring your other hand back.
I've
Code
told
4.
this
I've got one in
officer
custody.
to
Put your other hand behind your back.
Here.
I'm loud enough for you.
What? This is ridiculous. My wife needs a call. This is her only car. I'm a senior citizen. You people, and I'm the owner of this property. I have rights that you violated. Now you've got.
Do you have a burning permit? Do you have a burn permit?
Absolutely.
What's in there?
In my pocket.
You should
Not
have
in
given
there,
that
in
in the
my
first
pocket.
place.
I'm
Roll to your right side.
I've got another
Bring
weapon.
your knees up to your chest.
I've got a revolver here in my groin.
Okay,
Take that away from me.
Stay
what
right
am
there.
I going to do?
You don't
Spit
tell
lead
me
at
what the
you?
hell to do. Shut up.
This is over real estate. You people,
no, it's over you having a
this is
fire
over
you
real
shouldn't.
estate.
This should have been a simple ticket, and you want to be a
Real-
fucking asshole.
Right.
An owner taking care of his.
Could have been avoided.
I have
Where
a
is it?
holster there.
Where is it?
It's in my groin. I said I have a holster. Well, get out of my underwear.
Shut your mouth.
Well, don't you?
You're under arrest. You understand that? So shut up.
Look, it's not that hard to take a revolver out of a holster.
Someone.
Yeah, I got it.
This is ridiculous. You gonna attend
Do you
my
have any
fire
other
now?
weapons? Do you have any other weapons?
Shut the hell up.
No.
Sir, do you have any other weapons on you? Knives, anything? Guns?
I've glasses. I've a shoelace. I can hang you with it.
All right, well, that's threats to law enforcement. Sit up.
Get up.
Yep.
I'm an old man. I'm 69. How am I supposed to get up without my hands?
We'll help you.
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, sir. Ready? Oh, there you go.
Can you put my glasses on straight, please?
I can do that for you.
This officer was repeatedly told to leave my
See?
property. You're
This could
all
have been
trespassing
avoided.
and you're conspiring.
When there's a fire, there's a public safety concern.
Right.
Who?
When
I'm here.
the
I'm
neighbors
taking
call,
care of it.
Your neighbors called this. We didn't just
I don't
randomly show
care.
up.
I
So
don't
we're
care.
gonna come and
There-
talk to you
there-
about it.
There hasn't been any fire come off this lot.
It doesn't matter if
Yeah,
there's a
yes,
fire.
it does. Yes, it does.
You-
I
There's
don't
a
care.
law against it.
There hasn't been any fire come off this lot.
Do you understand how
Listen in the
close you
first
came to almost
place.
getting shot? Do
I-
you understand that? The minute you reached into that bag,
Do you understand that I could have killed you before you ever stepped on my lot?
right.
I saw you roll by.
We're done.
I saw
All right,
you.
fellas.
I saw.
We're done
walk.
here.
Wow.
You people think you're tough. You're assholes.
Where's your burn permit? Where's your burn permit? You live in the
think
village
he
of Pleasant
doesn't
Prairie. Where's your
have
burn
one.
permit?
Nah, he doesn't have any.
That's why we're talking to you.
It's all over a fire. You would have gotten a ticket.
Probably not even that, but now you gotta run your mouth.
You ever heard of the First Amendment?
Yeah, but you can't threaten people with the First Amendment.
Pardon?
I'll transport them.
I
me
can't
search
do
it.
what?
You can't threaten people with the First Amendment. That's the difference.
I didn't threaten
You did.
anyone.
You literally said you'd use your shoelace to hang my officer. That's what happened. Because you decided to act all hot shit. That's what happened.
Yeah, where?
Stop.
Don't even
If
turn
you,
around like this.
if you hurt me in the least, you're done. You're off the force.
Step back. Step back.
What?
9-6, I got a second 32. It's gonna be on a Glock 19, Adam.
So which
You can talk to him. How about that? He's our lieutenant.
Which unthreatened neighbor?
Doesn't matter.
Sure it does. And
Have a
it's
seat.
public.
You can take the report after. You'll be going to jail for felony threats to law enforcement. Disorderly
I've
conduct.
got keys in
Have a
an
seat.
unlocked car.
We'll lock it up for you. Have
Well,
a seat.
don't lock my
Have a
keys
seat.
in it.
We'll take the keys. We kind of need those to lock the car, right?
Slow night.
Not at all.
Who's tending the fire?
The fire department's going to put it out and probably charge you for it.
He immediately started, John, leave my property, go away, you can't be here. He picked up the shovel and another garden tool, started walking back towards his car.
Okay.
Tell him to come back.
DC, is he in time?
Look, I'm all for standing your grounds and knowing your rights, but this footage out of Pleasant Prairie is a textbook masterclass on how to turn a $0 conversation into a felony arrest. If you just know how to listen instead of running your mouth, all of this could have been avoided. An officer walked into the lot to check on a village-born ordinance. Instead of just answering a basic question, this guy immediately goes on the defense, screaming about his Fourth Amendment rights and demanding the officer to leave the property. Here's the legal reality. Under the established constitutional law enforcement can enter private property without a warrant if they have reasonable suspicion of violation in plain view, like an active fire inside city limits. The Fourth Amendment doesn't create a magic shield for an active investigation. But it gets worse. While yelling about his First Amendment rights to free speech, he completely crossed the line. You can scream, you can argue, but the moment you tell a cop you're going to hang him with a shoelace, your speech is no longer protected. True threats lose all First Amendment's immunity. This should have been a simple conversation. It could have been ended with a minor warning or a routine village ticket. Instead, he decided to fight the law on the scene rather than in a courtroom. He got himself thrown out of the gunpoint, hit with a felony charge for threatening law enforcement, and ended up taking a criminal plea deal. We should know when to shut up. Let the officer speak. Save the legal argument for a judge. You have the right to remain silent. And what happened to this case, The suspect, Carlos, was arrested and originally hit with heavy charges including felony threats to law enforcement. He ultimately accepted a plea deal, pleading no contest to resisting an officer and disorderly conduct. The felony charges was dismissed and he was ordered to pay a minor fine of $543.50. This is crazy. So what are your thoughts about this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.